Hello dear all. Today I just bought a new RAM slot for my PC. I installed just now, and I made a video for you. What is the difference between 4 GB RAM and 8 GB RAM? My previous RAM was a JL Evo Spare 4 GB 2400 bus speed, and now I installed Team Delta. The brand is Team Delta, and the bus speed is 3200, and there is two slot 8 into 2. That means I have now 16 GB installed. So now I am playing the 4 GB RAM into 2. That means you are watching now 8 GB 2400 bus. So that brand is JL Evo Spare. So you can see there is just 16 FPS or 18 FPS. Sometimes it goes higher, 21 and 22, but most of the time it's just below 20, and too much lagging on this RAM. My GPU is 2400 G AMD Ryzen 5, and the graphic quality is medium for Assassin's Creed Odyssey. You can see the lagging is now there is just only 16 FPS on the 17, 18, 19. Okay, now I want to go to the next mission. The next mission is the above of the hill. Just I don't know how to go. Run, Cassandra, run for your new enemy. Kill your new enemy. Now 22 FPS, 21 again, 19, 20, 18, 19, 20, 18. So around 16 to 21. Nothing I get from this 4 GB 2400 bus RAM. And there is the new task. I have to kill all of them, kill the captain, and find a treasure and a ancient letter, ancient tablet it's called, and cultist guard. I have to kill the cultist guard, kill the captain, and everyone is level 22. I am also like level 23. So that will be easy for killing them. So I am just now sitting and Control X for create noise, and the guard is near me. Just kill him, nothing else. Oh, I just killed the cultist guard. Now I don't know what to do. I think that will be better if I run for my life. Please run, Cassandra, run for your life. The enemy is behind you. They are shooting you with their fire arrow. Just run. That is too much. I just got some ghost bump here. There is too much guard for me. I cannot finish them all my alone. I just have to go 3 and kill him. Oh, he's killing me. I don't know what to do. What should I do? I'm just getting hit by there. Okay, run, Cassandra, run for your life, you bitch. Run, Cassandra, run. Just got half of your life and then you will be dismissed. Just jump from the cliff. I don't know what to do right now. That 2400 RAM is just so now can see. Now we are in 18 to 2 20 3200 bus, and just now 26 FPS, 25 FPS. You can see 24 FPS. That is awesome. Again we are below 21, and this is the cultist captain. I have to kill the captain, but he is too much powerful than me. I just have to run for my life. I don't know what to do next. Just run for my life. So you can see the average FPS is above 20 pixel. Above 20 FPS. I don't know. This is also good. There is no lagging. In 2400 bus speed and 4GB, 4 into 8GB RAM, 4 into 2 8GB RAM. That was too much laggy gaming. So I am feeling free. Now you see 27 FPS. 27 FPS. It's not that bad. It's very good. It's very good for my PC and for my gaming. I will add a new graphics card, but I think AMD 2400G it's awesome with 8 into 2 but 3200 bus speed. I think now I can kill the captain. Just to shoot him. Okay, I will finish on all my arrow on you. Cassandra, just hit him again, hit him. Okay, with the power arrow. He's already finished. I just need more 2 minutes, I think. So you can see, guys, my FPS is 23 FPS above 20 FPS always I am getting. So this is not that bad. I think this is worth my money. Now just jump and kill the peach. Okay, he's just dead. That FPS rate is not that bad. You can see now 27 FPS. So the average FPS will be 24 to 25. The new RAM is worth. Okay, I want to share with you the price in BDT Bangladesh Taka. That RAM took my 9,600 Taka, and in US dollar, what will be the price? 960 Taka divided by 82. The US price is $118, $120, 120 bucks. So they are killing me. I have to run again. I think I am too much bad for this gaming. Just run. I don't know how I got there. Fall from the cliff and save your life. The enemy is too strong. I will just kick them from the cliff. I will kick them from the cliff. That will be too much fun. Just see, wait and see. I have to gain my strength, then I will kick them one by one from the cliff. Then they will be just one kick. he's dismissed. Okay, now have to kill her. Okay, the power. Okay, now another kick. Okay, the two enemies now just dead. I am getting fun with this new RAM. 21 FPS and 27 also I'm getting sometimes. The average FPS will be 24 FPS, and the 4GB RAM from 2 stick I get just 16 to 20. Now I'm getting 21 to 28. That's not that bad. So thank you very much, dear friends. Please subscribe and leave a comment. share your opinion with me.